12 secret ways to make any man miss you like crazy. Have you ever wondered how some women seem to effortlessly have men chasing after them while others struggle to even get a text back? Well, the answer lies in the art of making a man miss you. And in this video, I'll be revealing 12 secret techniques that will have him longing for your presence and thinking about you constantly. I'm Brody Boyd with Magnetize Your Man, and as a professional love coach for over 13 years, here's what I've seen. The first secret way to make any man miss you like crazy is ending things on a high note. Ending things on a positive note encourages a man to think of you fondly and miss you. It builds a positive connection between the two of you and reminds him of the joys of your presence. From a psychological standpoint, it creates a sense of closure and a positive association with you in his mind. 3 other examples of what this could look like are: number 1, saying goodbye with a hug and smile. Number 2, ending a conversation when it's at its peak rather than letting it drag on. Or number 3, ending the date with a compliment or appreciation. The second secret way to make any man miss you like crazy is to seek personal growth. Personal growth is a great way to make a man miss you. When you seek to improve yourself, you become more attractive and desirable. By learning new skills, improving your health and appearance, and creating a life that you love, you will naturally draw a man towards you. Psychologically, when you are growing and expanding, it encourages him to miss you and want to be part of your journey. You become a source of positive energy and enthusiasm, which is appealing and attractive. 3 other examples of what this could look like are: number 1, take classes to learn a new language or skill. Number 2, set a goal to exercise regularly and be out in nature. Or number 3, take time for yourself to read, explore, and try new things. The third secret way to make any man miss you like crazy is to stay busy. Having an active lifestyle will make you stand out from the crowd and make him miss you. When you focus on yourself and have a full life, you show him that you are independent and that you have a positive outlook on life. This is attractive to men as it signals confidence, self-sufficiency, and a sense of purpose. Psychologically, staying busy will allow you to give him a sense of loss. And when you're too available, there's no mystery or challenge. By having a full life, you can make him desire to have you all to himself. 3 other examples of what this could look like are: number 1, take up a new hobby or join a class to explore different interests. Number 2, spend quality time with friends and family. Or number 3, pursue your own goals and dreams. The fourth secret way to make any man miss you like crazy is to learn together. Learning together can be a great way to stay connected and create a sense of closeness with your partner. This could be anything from taking cooking classes to traveling to reading books together. The key is to find something that you are both passionate about and have an opportunity to grow and learn together. Psychologically, learning together creates a sense of shared growth and can help to increase the bond between you and your partner. It also helps to keep each other motivated and focused on personal growth and development. 3 other examples of what this could look like are: number 1, signing up for a dance class together. Number 2, planning a weekly date night to learn something new. Or number 3, taking a trip to a new place and learning about the culture and customs. The 5th secret way to make any man miss you like crazy is to leave behind small reminders. Leaving small reminders of yourself is a great way to make sure a man always thinks about you. Whether it's a handwritten note, a gift, or something as simple as a text message, leaving small reminders of yourself is a subtle way to make a lasting impression. Psychologically, small reminders act as a form of reinforcement. They reinforce the memory of you into his life. He may not realize it, but it can have a powerful impact on how much he misses you. 3 other examples of what this could look like are: number 1, leave a handwritten note or card with a list of things you appreciate about him. Number 2, text him a song that reminds you of him. Or number 3, leave a fun gift that he can find when you're not around. The 6th secret way to make any man miss you like crazy is to support his goals. Supporting your man's goals is one of the most effective ways to make him miss you. Show him that you are there to help him achieve his dreams and goals by encouraging and supporting him. Psychologically, when a man feels supported and encouraged, he will be more likely to think of you when you are not around. He will also feel more confident in himself and his abilities when he knows that you are there to help and support him. 3 other examples of what this could look like are: number 1, let him know how proud you are of his successes and accomplishments. Number 2, ask him how you can help him to reach his goals and be there to provide any assistance that he needs. Or number 3, show him that you believe in his potential and that you are there to support him. The 7th secret way to make any man miss you like crazy is to give him space. Giving a man space is one of the most effective ways to make him miss and appreciate you. Allowing him to have time away from you to make him feel like he has to work for your attention and affection, which will make him want it even more. Psychologically, when a man feels that he is not getting your full attention, he will want it more. He will start to crave your company, your touch, and your affection more and more. Now, 3 other examples of what this could look like are: number 1, don't immediately answer all of his calls and texts. Number 2, go out with friends and family without him every once in a while. Or number 3, don't be too available all the time. Let him come to you. The 8th secret way to make any man miss you like crazy is to express affection. Expressing affection towards your man is a great way to make him miss you. Show him that you care for him and that you are always thinking of him. This will make him feel valued and loved and make him miss you even more. Psychologically, we all crave to feel appreciated and loved, and expressing affection is a great way to make someone feel that way. It can also be a good way to make your relationship stronger, as it helps to build trust and intimacy. Now, 3 other examples of what this could look like are: number 1, leave little love notes for him in unexpected places. Number 2, give him a hug or kiss whenever you can. Or number 3, compliment him on something he did recently. The 9th secret way to make any man miss you like crazy is to seek his opinion. Seeking his opinion shows that you value his thoughts and ideas. This sends a powerful message that you respect him and want to include him in decisions. It also helps to build strong emotional bonds between you both. Psychologically, when you ask for his opinion, it creates an environment of safety and trust. This encourages him to open up and share his feelings more freely with you. It also allows him to feel appreciated and valued. 3 other examples of what this could look like are: number 1, ask his advice when making a big purchase. Number 2, listen closely to his opinion on a difficult situation you're facing. Or number 3, seek his input on creative projects that you're working on. The 10th secret way to make any man miss you like crazy is to allow him to be your hero. Giving him the opportunity to feel like a hero in your life can make a man miss you like crazy. When you allow him to help you out, protect you, or simply show you how much he cares, he will feel appreciated and admired. It will make him feel valued and connected to you and make him want to be around you more. Psychologically, it triggers a sense of pride and accomplishment when a man is able to make you feel safe and protected. It boosts his confidence and makes him feel like a strong, capable individual. Now, 3 other examples of what this could look like are: number 1, ask for his help for something. Number 2, show your appreciation for his help and support. And number 3, let him do small acts of kindness for you. The 11th secret way to make any man miss you like crazy is to avoid being predictable. To make men miss you, don't be too predictable. Shake up your routine and surprise him with different activities and conversations. This will help keep him interested and help your relationship be more exciting. Psychologically, this works because when you do something unexpected, it creates a level of uncertainty and curiosity within him. He will want to know about what you're up to, why you're doing something differently, and this will make him think about you more and make him miss you. 3 other examples of what this could look like are: number 1, instead of going out for dinner, plan a picnic in the park. Number 2, instead of having the same conversations, read a book together and discuss it. Or number 3, instead of ordering takeout, make a special meal for the 2 of you. The 12th secret way to make any man miss you like crazy is to show appreciation. Expressing appreciation for a man's efforts, his personality, and the time you share together is a surefire way to make him miss you. Appreciation is an act of kindness and a way to honor him. Appreciation can show through words, actions, or gifts, and it will make him feel more connected to you. Psychologically, appreciation helps foster positive feelings and strengthens a relationship. It conveys respect and admiration for him and makes him feel valued. Now, 3 other examples of what this could look like are: number 1, send him a thank you note for all the things he has done for you. Number 2, compliment him on his accomplishments and encourage him to keep up the good work. Or number 3, give him a small token of your appreciation like a handmade card or a gift. Mastering the art of romance is not just about attracting a man, but also about making him miss you like crazy. By implementing these 12 secret ways, you can become irresistible to any man and leave a lasting impression that will keep him longing for your presence. Remember to always be confident, mysterious, and playful, and watch as you become the ultimate prize in his eyes. Next, if you'd like to discover a powerful psychological trigger to make any man desire you, then take our free love quiz at getlovequiz.com or subscribe and click on the link in the description below to get that now, and I'll see you there.